Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be learning multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Remember that the numbers being multiplied are factors. So a factor times a factor equals a product. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We are going to multiply first 951 times 62. Okay, and so what we're going to do is we're going to use the standard algorithm to solve this problem. So first we are going to be concentrating on multiplying 2 by each number. So here we're going to say 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. So we say 10. 2 times 9 is 18, plus the 1 is 19. Okay, then I'm going to mark out that 1 so I don't accidentally use it again. And now I'm going to be concentrating on 6 times everything. And when I go to multiply this 6 times everything, 6 is in the tens place. So I'm going to have to put that placeholder here because the 6 is in the tens place. So I'm going to go ahead and say 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 3 is 57. Then we're going to go ahead and add all that up. And we get 2, and we get 6, and 9, and 8, and 5. So we get, for our product, we get 58,962. I'm going to go ahead and box in my final answer. Okay, so that's our first example. We'll go through a couple more, and then you can try some on your own. Okay, for our next example, example number 2, we are going to go ahead and multiply the number 385 times 47. Okay, so I'm going to start with the 7, and I'm going to multiply it by everything. And we always multiply ones, tens, hundreds. So we're going to go ahead and say 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 8 is 56, plus 3 is 59. And 7 times 3 is 21, plus this 5 is 26. Okay, now I'm ready to move on to the 4, so I'm going to mark these out. My 4 is in the tens place, so I'm going to go ahead and put that placeholder. And now I'm going to concentrate on multiplying 4 times everything. So 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 8 is 32, plus 2 is 34. And 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Now we can go ahead and add those up and get our final product. So that's 5 and 9 and 10 and 7, 8 and a 1. So our product here is 18,095. So let's box in that answer. All right, and let's do one more together. So example number 3. This time we are going to multiply 764 times 83. Okay, so same thing here. I'm going to go ahead and concentrate on my 3 first. So 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22. And now I'm ready to move over to my 8. And I'm going to go ahead and put that placeholder since I'm in the tens. All right, so 8 times 3 is 32. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 3 makes 51. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 5 is 61. Okay, and then we're going to add that all together. And our final product here, we've got 2 and 11 and 2, 3, 4 and 3 and 6. So our product here is 63,412. Okay. All right, so now I would like you to try to do these two problems on your own. So 174 times 33, and go ahead and do 547 times 68, and work those out in your journal just like we did the first 3. Great job.